Your prints are technically perfect, but they look boring. Time to fix that. The best specialty filaments for 3D printing in 2026 aren't about strength or precision. They're about visual impact. We're talking color-changing thermochromics, silk finishes that catch light like anodized metal, and metal composites loaded with real copper or bronze particles. Here's what actually works. For color-changing effects, ERYONE's thermochromic PLA shifts reliably between 31 and 45 degrees Celsius with zero stringing issues. For that eye-catching silk finish, CC3D's Rainbow PLA delivers vibrant gradients without the usual print headaches. And if you need authentic weight and feel, Proto-pasta's stainless steel PLA prints like standard material but polishes up like real metal. The catch? You'll pay $28 to $55 per kilogram instead of the usual $18 to $25, and most specialty filaments trade some mechanical strength for those visual effects. But when the goal is making people stop and stare, that's a trade worth making. We tested 24 specialty filaments to find what actually prints well. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.